all, it's been a pleasure associating with Nestle, and details of Nestle will be given by them themselves. But as far as Nestle is concerned in their CSR activities, I am associated as MLA in my constituency. They are doing wonderfully well, and it is one of the only companies who maintains their CSR, and that is why which prompted me to tie up with them. In short, आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी लाईक कुचरे माझ्या मतदारसंघात आणि स्कुलांक ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर फॅसिलिटी दिली. So keeping this in mind and the backup what they provide made me ask them for a dialogue in how we can associate with Nestle. And we came with a unique idea of putting Goa on chocolates, which we will unveil and will share with you how Goa has come on these chocolates and how destinations, big destinations of Goa are coming on these chocolates. And this is done as part of their corporate social responsibility program, and I thank Nestle for bringing in without 1 rupee spending, where they have tied up with them and they are helping. Goa is also a brand by itself, but they are helping as Nestle tying up with Goa, because in India Nestle has the only company in Goa at Usgaon, and no other place in India they have a factory. So it's a new concept, new idea with Goa tourism. And when you see chocolates, and these chocolates which are manufactured here, where we'll have this branding, will be sold all over India. Department of Tourism will be the nodal in charge, and we will see that whereas we can hold these hands. And Drishti, as being a part of our life getting, and they have done a good job. We have Nestle and Drishti and Goa Tourism have tied up in giving etiquettes and behaving with tourists, how to go about. It is well put it in this booklet. It's a very small booklet, but if we implement this, I think it will be a long way we can go forward.
How many more tourism and Nestle together? If you see the back side, the logos are there. All 4 iconic locations of Goa are there. The way the whole pack has been made, you can easily make out, and most of you are Goans, that it gives a very Goan happy feeling. So, and that's the idea about this pack. Thanks for launching. Yeah.
Sir, all the best. Thank you. Sir, you want to.
Thank you.